Hi guys, wave hello. Oops, let's go back. Before we get here. One day we decided to see the nearest waterfalls from our hotel while we were having vacation in the Talipanan Puerto Galera.
Or walked through the Mangan village. Now we're going to the waterfall.
It was 15 to 20 minutes walk to Talipanan Falls. We had no idea how hard the hike was until we get there.
Here we are, we made it. We're just going to the little waterfall because the big one's up there. It's not going to be easy to bring a baby. It's flowing water, you'll be fine. Hey.
This is our baby's first time to see waterfalls. We definitely enjoy the Talipanan Falls. Well, the water was cold, but it was a hot day, so it felt good. We were happy to be here after a long walk. Thanks to our tour guide, he stayed to take video. Although he was paid to stay for 500 pesos, as long as we want. Anyway, we only stayed for a few hours, so it was fortunate for him. Our baby JJ and all of us were happy, and that's more important. We all had a great time in this place. It was a great idea to visit Talipanan Falls if you are here in Puerto Galera for exploration. This is something to do when you visit Puerto Galera, Oriental, Mindoro in the Philippines. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.